can't go on much longer. Buxom, what would you like to do is go to a flight ticket to Pittsburgh? Congratulations. Oh, good for you. It looks like you had a good time. Anyway, let's just say we can just buy a flight ticket, okay?
Well, she's gonna buy flight tickets for Pittsburgh. Wait, we're in another world, right? But Pittsburgh is the real world.
Once I get to the real world by plane, it'll be good for us to just go to the Earth.
The Earth. Well, that's why I'm a vending machine.
Okay, it looks like it's
Done!
alright. Okay, I got the flight tickets. So, do I need to take you to the flight tickets? To the flight? And you could be vending machine on this wall?
What is she talking about?
I thought you said that. Come on, Buxo. Let's get to the airport, okay? Congratulations. Okay, let's go. I feel so tired before, but I'm not.
She's so tired before, but she's not?